Hey guys, and welcome back to RoboCAD. In our previous tutorial, I have explained you how to create a new project in C Sharp, and in this tutorial I will explain you the basic syntax of the C Sharp program. So let's begin. And this is a very basic code to print hello world on screen. So I will explain you this code. And the first line is using system. We add using system line to tell the C Sharp that we want to use the features from system library, right? The system library basically contains ready-made code. For example, console feature, which lets us display text on the screen, and as you can see it from here, when I hit the start button, we will see this text displayed on the new screen, hello world. So we will not be able to do that if we are not using the line using system. And the next thing is curly braces. The curly braces shows C Sharp where a block of code begins and where it ends. Right? And now let's talk about the blank line. The blank lines are just for readability. C Sharp ignores all the blank lines we put in our program, but they actually made the code easier for humans to read and understand. So that is basically the purpose of the blank line. And now let's talk about the namespace. Namespace is like a folder for your program and nothing else. It is only for the organization purpose, right? And now let's talk about the class. A class is a container for your code. In C Sharp, all code must be inside a class. And here our class is called program. And now let's talk about the static void main. This is basically the entry point of the program, and our program will start from here. And inside of the main program, we have written Console.WriteLine hello world, which means that we want to print hello world on our screen. So it will display only one line hello world on our screen, and if we want to print more lines, then we have to write Console.WriteLine inside of the parentheses. I'm writing here I am learning coding, right? We need to close the bracket, and at the end of the line we have to put semicolon, because this is the syntax of the C Sharp programming. And in the very similar fashion, we can add as many lines as we want. And here I'm writing computer programming is great. You can write anything inside of these parentheses. So let's run the program, and here we can see the three lines displayed on our screen. And now let's talk about the comments. So if we do not want to delete this line, but we do not want to show this line on our screen, we have to put two forward slashes. Now let's run this program, and we are not able to see that line that we have made comment. So this is about how we comment things in the code. And let's comment the other line as well. We will only see hello world one line here, and as you can see, it is displayed here. So this is about how we comment things in C Sharp. And if we want to comment multiple lines, then this is a method, forward slash and static forward slash. So I will put here static forward slash, then these two lines will be considered as comment. And if I run the program, I will still see only hello world printed on our screen. So this is about how we comment things and the basic syntax of the C Sharp. Thanks for watching, guys.